Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about a simple service in AWS. Okay, so suppose I want to send out a message with teams like groups. Okay, and the team we have members, right, like a dev team, QA team, and the whole deal, something like that. I wanted to send out a mails or messages to notifications kind of things, right? So in AWS there are services, we just need to use that services. Okay, suppose I need to send out a group like a dev or a QA team, like my CPU utilization is full, so that time I wanted to send some notifications kind of thing. So that time we will use AWS SCS services. So if you go to here, there are a few simple services, so that run by AWS. We don't need any server to run on that one. Okay, so example SNS. Okay, simple notification service. Okay, so to run on this service, we don't need any server, so AWS itself it is maintained. Okay, to first to create, we need to create the topic. Okay, see, SNS is a simple notification service. It's a public subscriber, so messaging for microservices and all. Okay, Amazon SNS is a highly available, durable, secure and fully managed public subscriber messaging service that enables you to decouple the microservices and distributed systems and event driven serverless application. So we don't need any server to run this application, to run this service. Okay, Amazon SNS provides a topic. Okay, it's public subscribed based, many to many messages. Okay, high throughput. Okay, see, suppose notifications are like email, SMS, publish messages like your mobile message. Okay, and for example, CPU is high, we wanted to send out a notify or email or SMS through SNS. Okay, and SNS is follows publisher subscriber model. Okay, there can be number of subscribers and a message can be posted, all of them get notified. Okay, let me create. So first we just need to create a topic. Suppose topic name should be anything like my app demo. Okay, something. Okay, this is my topic. So under topic, we need to select the typo, like if it is FS, FIFO, or it's a standard. Okay, it's like there is a queue, like queue like FIFO, like first in first out, first in last come, that kind of thing is there, right? That time we will use this one. So there is some restrictions here, strictly preserve the message ordering. Okay, exactly one message can deliver at a time. Okay, throughput only 300. Okay, throughput up to 300 publishes per second. Okay, this is something like some restrictions are there. So the standard way, we will use the standard one. Okay, and this have many benefits. Okay, at least one message can be delivered, high throughput, publish subscriber. Okay, subscription protocols like SQS, Lambda, HTTPS, SMS, email. Okay, everything it will be uses. So we will go with the standard, everyone uses the standard one. Okay, and the name, my application demo. Okay, my app demo, and the display name. Okay, what name you wanted to display, like anything like my app demo something, payment. Okay, payment related. Okay, something you wanted. And encryption, if you want, you can create encryptions. Okay, and description, access policies like basic, advanced. Okay, if anything you wanted to do, follow that one. And delivery retry policies. Okay, by default I didn't use anything. And delivery status logging, like these are optional. So okay, I'm just do anything. So if you want, you can select all this one. And the tags, if you want, you can provide any tags also. This is also optional. I'm just creating the topic. Okay, under topic. Okay, we need to So topic is created, so we need to create subscribers, right? This topic need to send out DL or um, AD, so I just need to create a subscriptions. Okay, this is the topic. Okay, Amazon resource name ARN. Okay, this is my topic, and the protocol I'm just using email. Okay, so you just need to use Amazon SQS and Lambda, email JSON, HTTP, HTTPS, and platform application endpoints like in mobile notifications and SMS. Okay, so I'm just going with here email one. Okay, the endpoint. Okay, for currently I'm giving only one email. So this is my email ID. Okay, if you have instead of one, you can give like um, DL. So in the DL, complete list of users will have, right? So active directory kind of thing you can give. So in the subscription filter, okay, you just provide anything. Okay, if it doesn't have anything, just leave that, and create subscription. Okay, now this is also done. If you go to topics, okay, if you go to app, and it should be pending confirmation. So in this one you just need to confirm. Okay, then only it will be confirmed status. Okay, if you refresh, this is my mail ID, you will get a mail, my app demo. Okay, the notification will be came here. See, it's no reply SMS Amazon, this one. Okay, so you just need to confirm. Click on this one, it should be subscription confirmed. Okay, now if you go to here and just refresh. Okay, just refresh, it should be confirmed status now. See, it should be confirmed. Now we can publish a message. Okay, select the subject like my app demo notification something. Okay, and if you want to TTL like time to live, just you just need to provide currently this is for mobile application endpoint. Okay, and if we have anything like identical payload delivery or custom payload. Okay, I'm just item, please check the CPU utilization. Okay, something kind of utilization of server. Okay, anything you just wanted to provide the server details and the file log files, everything, and you just need to publish message. If you want to, you can message attributes. Okay, type string. Okay, anything, and the name and value. Okay, like that also you can provide. Suppose if you give string and name equal to payments and the value equal to something. Okay, you just need to, if you want to give, you can also give like this. Okay, my message is published. Okay, if you go to your mails and refresh, see, we got a message, please check your CPU utilization time. Okay, like that we will get the notifications using SNS, a simple notification service. Okay, this is one service. There is another service also like SQS, simple queue service. Okay, if you go to here, and queue is nothing but like messaging queues. So it should be communication within the apps. Okay, um, so for that one, see, queue is fully managed, daily scalable, highly durable, and available service in AWS. It's easy to set up and operate. Okay, queue is integration applications. Queues are used for integrating the application. The queue, the usage of the queue is very common in banking applications. Okay, queues are provide asynchronous communications. So asynchronous communications are like, suppose, okay, if I am sending a message, okay, like it sometimes it will be receive the message. So suppose I just my mobile is switched off, so that time the message will be not received, right? That should be asynchronous. Okay, synchronous means when you call, and if you lift the call and acknowledgement will come, right? That is a synchronous. Okay, the use of we can use in the queue, right? Use long polling and SQS rescheduling empty message. Suppose um, in the queue, it's like if you go to here, you will get understanding. SQS, simple queue service. Apache Kafka. There are different of service like uh, see, Amazon SQS message queue. Amazon SQS provides queue of high throughput systems to system messaging. Okay, you can use the queues to decoupling heavyweight process and buffer to batch work, and Amazon stores messages until microservice and serverless applications are there. Okay, we just need to create a queue. Okay, and just pro- producers and consumers. So okay, whenever the messages are sent from the application, microservice and other AWS services, it should be in queue. Okay, so Amazon SQS, the queue stores the messages and wait the consumer to pull. Okay, so suppose in the front end we have backends, right? So whenever the user are request sending some messages, it should be wait in the queue, and then only it backend will be received and sending that back. Okay, same like we need to create a queue. Okay, and you just need to provide, and you just need to add the consumers. Okay, like subscribers, same like that one only. And there are other service also like SCS. Okay, simple email service. Okay, this is also fully available service. Okay, using SCS we can send and receive emails. Okay, so if you go to SCS, simple email service, Amazon simple email service. Okay, so if you go to here, suppose there is a domains, right? Like we have different domains like um, flipkart.com, and domain means fully qualified name like amazon.com, like wipro.com. So the domains all are fully qualified. Okay, suppose currently I don't have any domain name. Okay, suppose I just need to verify my domain name. Okay, so currently I don't have any valid domain name. I just giving my mail ID. So you just need to provide like info at wipro.com, info at ibm.com, info at accenture.com. Okay, info at ibm.com. Okay, you just need to provide the domains. Okay, so currently I don't have anything. See, it went to the pending status. Okay, if you go to here, you just need to confirm that one. So we need to wait. So once this is verified, okay, then only we will be able to see that. Spelling mistakes. Okay, it's missing. Okay, let me remove this one. Actually mail id is miss. Mail id is the one. generadio.b at gmail.com. Okay, now it is my domain. If you go to Gmail, see, we have got this one. Just click on this link, it will be confirmed. See, now if we go to here and just refresh, it should be verified. Okay, now you just need to select this one and send a test mail. Okay, suppose whom you wanted to send out a mail. Okay, suppose I am sending only my mail id also. Okay, if you have a dl or ads, okay, something you have, right, active directory. Okay, it should be integrated with ldap, okay, in the companies. Okay, so from you just need to put that in the subject. Okay, and the subject name like application status. Okay, and hi team, just please find the below application status below. Okay, whether it should be stopped or running or any errors. Okay, like that, just need to send out. So now previously it should be no reply, right? Like, see, I'm sending from me only, right? Because now see, it should be like via amazon.com. Okay, see, this is a fully qualified name, so we just came from amazon.com. Okay, previously it should be no reply, right? If you go to here notification, no reply at sns.com, so it should be now amazon.com via. Okay, these are the email service and the simple service sqs service. Okay, which are simple services to communicate like publish subscriptions. Okay, uh, we just use this service. For this service we don't need any server. Okay, by aws itself will manage. Okay, that's all about this session. Thank you for watching.